Hello guys, we're back at it again. I'm heading to my room right now. There was this weird pop-up saying that has to go with my screen. And yes, we already know that. We already know that Moby sent us that. But today, as you can see, we are playing some... Wait, what is Farm Life? But we're playing some Beast Farm Simulator. I was gonna do this with a friend, but I could not find them online. And a real life friend too. So let's get right into it. And let's just go play some Beast Farm Simulator. And hope it will work and is not a glitch of a man like his Arsenal. And let's go. And I hope the audio is a little bit better for you. Because first thing, the big are the probably my nails, and I can't do anything about that. And the other thing is most of the time there's this little thing that goes and yeah. I can remove that. It's just the thing. We can make my work for a little bit. Can get honey. Oh my god, I knew champ. Hi. She's very nice also, and yeah. With the bear for me. She's creepy. I heard that some top beekeepers prefer to collect pollen from the rose field. Why? Well, a couple of reasons. For one, you can specialize your hive with all red bees for maximum combos. On top of that, it's actually pretty close to the hive. For your bees at least, they don't have to fly very far to go to sleep. Why don't you test it out? Collect 450,000 pollen from the rose field. Wait, I think she left. Well, okay. Still, shout out to her. She is a very nice. She is very nice, and she's very nice, and she's one of my best friends too. I think she's a friend because now, as far as I know, I only have 3 friends or something. Lina, which also, if you want to be friends with, is called Lina XXX or something. And another one, Dina, and her name is Dina Gamed. But she never really records videos, or both of them never really record videos. But both of them are very nice, and the other one is Sophia. And I also have a Sophia in my school, but that's not the Sophia I'm talking about. There's another Sophia. play. We literally play with each other. Hey, here. Let's get one of them. Clear builders. Okay. I really like this. It's not because it's good. Like, do a lot of it and saying this because I love you. And I love you. Look, I can, like, do it. I want to tell a little funny story. I really wanted to see my YouTube channel. Like, if you want to search up my YouTube channel, it's like actually difficult because what you first like have to do is this. And I'm gonna get my Poland to become free. And like when it's almost money, I will end the video. And I hope to see you another time. Goodbye.